from the Caribbean to Cape Town and beyond.
After such epic shark diving, it sucks having to head back to land. But we gotta get the boat ship shape for the next charters.
What are we looking like?
Bring it sexy back.
Mojo, mojo. Look at me go. Mojo, mojo. Yeah. Look at me go. Ooh, look at me go. Look at me go. Yeah. Look at me go.
That looks pretty brand new. A little TLC, a little sweat. Yeah, boys.
Respect, dude.
Respect. Where are you going? Somebody's got to go home and do some proper work. Much. Thank you. Boom. First bump. You got.
Be safe, man. We'll stay in touch tonight.
Always. 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 Bye, man. Love you guys. Good luck.